forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, ja. On a better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
Nothing wrong with
they
that.
always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another house hunting video. Now today we are in Spanish Town at the new Brusnwick village development, okay? And like I said, that is in Spanish Town. Now before we even get into this video, guys, quick disclaimer. Now guys, I just want to let you know that we do not work in collaboration with the developers. We don't work in collaboration with the realtors or any real estate agents, okay? We just like to show you guys what's out there, especially for the people in the diaspora who's interested to know about developments and real estate in Jamaica. Now, if you are interested in any of the developments that you see on our channel or any other channel for that matter, guys, I am urging you, please do your research, please do your due diligence, okay? In this world of real estate, especially out here in Jamaica, there's the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? There are lots of stories going around about different places, and I don't want any of my subscribers or viewers to get caught up in any of it. So please, just please understand that what we show you is just a snippet, okay? We don't go into too much detail. We just show you a snippet of what's going on. If you're interested, go and have a look for yourself. Speak to the developers, speak to the contractors, speak to whoever you need to speak to, right? But please do your research, okay? Thank you. Okay, let's get into it. So as usual, we like to take you on a drive to the development. It's really easy to find. Once you get to Angels roundabout, it's signposted, really easy. Now the difference I would say with this development compared to a lot of other developments is in the title, New Brusnwick Village. It is a village. So at this development, it consists of apartments and townhomes. So there will be 70 apartments and there will be 19 townhouses, okay? But it's a village because it has an island grill which has recently been opened that you can see right there. There is also a Sagicor bank on site which is open as well. There will be a doctor's office, there will be restaurants there, there will be a plethora of different shops and facilities available, okay? Hence why it's been called a village. Let's have a look at some of the other features. Security is really tight. Like Outlaw would say, security is tight like new shoes. You've got to go through 3 different points in order to gain access to the development. So security is something that they have really thought about in this development. So yeah, these are the commercial units. There's a Sagicor Bank. There are a few other commercial units that you'll see that are empty at the moment, but of course will be filled with different establishments. And let's have a look at some of the information about the units as well. Alright, so there is the floor plan. So the apartments will be mixed with studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and the townhouses, the 19 townhouses are just 2 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, okay? So here's a little drive through. There's a commercial unit on the right hand side. You can see some of the apartments in front. The apartments will be split between 2 blocks, which you'll see in a short while, and then the townhomes as well. So some of the facilities will include a jogging trail, a clubhouse, there will be a sports area as well, pickleball court, outdoor gym, basketball court, fitness trail too. There will be no swimming pool at this development. However, the developers have said if the residents want to come together and put a pool in, they can do that, okay? And that'll be up to them. Let's have a look at the maintenance fees. So for the studio apartment, maintenance is $18,000 a month. For the 1 bedroom, it's $22,000 a month. For the 2 bedroom apartment, it's $29,000 a month. And for the townhouse, it's 34,000 Jamaican dollars a month. That's the maintenance. Before we do a tour of the property, prices. So the studio apartment, which is 609 square feet, starts from just over $23 million. The one bedroom apartment, which is 726 square feet, is just under $28 million. The two bedroom apartment, which is 980 square feet, is just under $38 million. And the two bedroom townhouse, which is 1,152 square feet, is just under 41 million. So these prices are in Jamaican dollars, okay? All right, this area is where the clubhouse will be and the sports court will be, right there. So this is the one bedroom apartment model unit. Just some additional information. All units will have or will include water heaters. AC will not be provided, but the AC lines will for easy installation of AC units. There will be a backup generator. There will be water storage as well. And also, as well as the 24-hour security at the gate, there is also a security officer that will walk the grounds 24 hours a day as well. If you're interested in this development or want any other further information, the person who to contact is coming up in a short while at the end of this video. I'm also going to leave the details in the description as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and until the next time, that me say.